world wanderers, it's me, Yana, and Curves of the Road are saying hi from San Antonio. I really like this city. It's a combination of Italian Venice, Spanish Catalonia, and good old Texas. San Antonio is the best known for the Battle of the Alamo. You can wait in a queue to get inside Alamo. I did it. You can't take pictures inside, and I understand why. There's nothing in there. Like, nothing. So if you want to save time, I probably wouldn't recommend queuing in the sun to go inside. So I will show you 9 great things that you can see and do in San Antonio. The Alamo is not the only Spanish mission in the city. There are actually 5 of them, and they are connected through biking trails or walking paths. The next Spanish mission I decided to visit was the Mission San Jose. Right there and there, I figured out I'm an idiot. Who else would go visit a church on Sunday? Yeah, obviously there was a mess, and I really didn't want to disturb the prayers, so I couldn't see the inside. Mission San Jose is known as the Queen of the Missions. It's the largest of the missions, and it was almost fully restored to its original design in 1930s. The 5 missions are the Alamo, San Jose, San Juan, Concepcion, and Espada. But Spanish missions were not just churches, they were communities, and the church was just the focus point. In 2020, Mission San Jose will celebrate its 300th birthday. What's really good to know? All the Spanish missions are free of charge to enter, so do not hesitate and check it out. If you are in San Antonio, it would be a cardinal sin not to try their churros. And Churroholic has some good stuff. Since I was visiting in spring, I told myself the Botanical garden will be perfect. Everything will be in bloom. It's not free of charge. You have to pay $25. It's not cheap, but you can really spend the whole day there, and there's a lot to see if you're into flowers. Personally, I usually go for the zoos rather than botanical gardens, but it was a nice change. Just please don't ask me what the names of the flowers are. I could probably identify some water lilies and orchids, and if it's prickly and it doesn't die when you don't water it, it might be a cactus. Well guys, that's probably as far as my high school biology goes, so just enjoy the flowers. I decided to take a boat ride on the river channels.
All right. Does everybody hear me? I mean, I know I could hear me, but can y'all hear me as well? Yeah. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Captain Q. I'll be driving you around for the next 3 to 5 business days until we run out of food, water supply, and have to survive off of the earth. Who's with me? In that case, we'll cut the trip short. We'll be back in 35 minutes. This is the Rosita's Bridge. Rosita was a Latina singer, Rosita Fernandez. She sang 25 consecutive years with Fiesta Rio de la Noche. Waterfalls, fountains, these have 2 purposes. They filter the water, make sure that they're helping clean out the water, and they make really good backgrounds for your selfies and group pictures.
If there is one thing you have to do when you're going to San Antonio, is the river cruise. These water channels are the reason why San Antonio got the nickname the Venice of Texas. Did you know that San Antonio was named after Saint Anthony of Padua? And as the day is coming to an end, we'll pick a nice cozy restaurant at the Riverwalk and have some good old Mexican food. Oh, so good. Some tour guides say it's a Japanese tea garden, but here you can read it's a Chinese tea garden, so let's run with it. And being in the tea garden, let's taste some bubble tea. No, thank you. Tapioca bowls. Oh, hell no. But the garden was magical. It was really, really beautiful, calming, and in the heat of the day, it was the best place to go. And again, the entrance is free, so you get some peace of mind for free. That's what I call a bargain. There was something about the whole place that just radiated a positive energy.
Now, farmers of the area, they knew about this sinkhole in the early 1900s, but they paid little attention to it other than the occasional livestock falling in and breaking its leg. Right here, this is the mountain of Landlord. This mountain is our largest stalagmite of the day. We call it this because the original explorers came down here and they said these holes in the rock.
Our guide asked us why we think the water in the lakes is green.
That's a good guess. It's not any sort of mineral in the water, and it's not algae either. The reason why it's green is
it's just the light that reflects in the green color.
point in time. And once that water level dropped down into the Glen Rose aquifer, it relieved the pressure for the ceiling. Now, once that pressure was relieved, all the rocks fell down, and we call it breakdown. You can actually see all of these rocks all around you. That's all part of the ceiling. All of these formations grew on top of those rocks.
Okay, here's the deal. I just wanted to escape the crazy heat of the outside, and I was thinking, they have caves here. Normally, from where I come from, it's quite cool and cold in the caves. Let's go visit them. Well, the first thing I learned is that the temperature inside can go up to 30 degrees Celsius and the humidity can be up to 80%. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted today. I went to see the San Fernando Cathedral light show. There are shows on Tuesdays, Fridays, and then the weekend. And I think you should check for the times once you get there. It might vary. The show takes approximately 24 minutes and it was created by French artist Xavier de Richemont. So this is all I had to show you from San Antonio. I would definitely recommend spending a couple of days here. It's a lovely city. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And see you next time in Houston. Bye!